This is Piazza della Borsa. Let me introduce you to this building. It's called Palazzo Tergesteo, fully renewed in the year 2012. If you want to live right next to Piazza Navita, this is the only option. It's 54 square meters, and if you have a spare 238,000 euro in your pocket, this can be your pied-à-terre. It's costly, I know, but it's worth every penny, because that will be your house, and that there is Piazza Navita. You can come live here a couple of weeks a year and leave it in our hands throughout the rest of the year. We're a very big Airbnb rental company too. What you get is the small living area, a kitchen back there, a bedroom and a bathroom. Price tag is so high because this is really a milestone in the story of the city. It's the most central building, and together with Palazzo Genel and the newborn Palazzo Giustinelli, these are the best places in town. And if you wish, from October 1st to October 10th, we're at the Barcolana. You'll find us there with our booth. It's right next to Piazza Navita. Cheers.